Hi guys. Many of you have recently asked me to suggest some books for reading, and many of you have actually expressed that after a long time you actually have the time to read. So, from where to begin? What kind of book can I suggest? So, basically, I had some fictional novels at home which I have read some of these, and some I'm still reading. So if you are really into stories and fiction, then these are some of the books you might like reading. So let me just begin with a book by Daniel Steele. It's called The Long Road Home, and this story begins. It actually talks about a journey of a little girl when she is 7 year old, and how she is always to be blamed for her mother's rage, and then finally she is abandoned by her parents and put into a convent, and from there how her life changes. So basically it's a story about a painful childhood. It actually broke my heart reading it. It's a little sad, but the best part is that later on the story shows her journey of healing, whatever she experienced in her life, how she is able to find forgiveness and freedom from guilt and healing from abuse. So yes, I really got connected with the character. I cried with her, and I felt happy when she was happy. So you might just enjoy reading this. So this one was by Daniel Steele. Another book, Night Over Water by Ken Follett. I have this book for a long time with me now, and I just recently got a chance to read it. So basically, I never got attracted to this book seeing the cover and all. I thought, it might be full of action or something like that. But amazingly, it's a thriller novel written by Ken Follett, and it is a fictional story, but it is about an actual final flight of the Pan American Clipper passenger airplane during the first few days of World War II. And it has a lot of characters in it, and the author has beautifully developed these characters and have written about the relationships, a relationship between a parent and a child, between two sisters, between a lover and a girl and his girlfriend, between an ex-wife and her husband. And it has a feminist message of women standing up for themselves. So very interesting book, and full of unexpected twists and turns. So I really enjoyed reading this one. Then there's this book that I read by Tony Parsons. It is known as The Family Way. uh, Again, it is a story about three sisters, and how their mother abandoned them when they were little girls. And these three sisters are so different from each other, and the story talks about their journey, about their bonding, and how they're able to manage their emotions, being scarred at childhood. So this is another story that you will love reading if you enjoy those kind of emotional dramas. Then I read this book, Feluda Omnibus. I'm sure most of you must have heard about it. So this is these are detective stories. They're full of adventure, and there's a simplicity to the way the stories are written. And yet you would never call them plain or underwhelming. So when I spotted this copy at a book sale, I knew it had to come home with me. And fortunately, during this lockdown, I got a chance to read this. So in this volume, we see Feluda, who is the detective, and his cousin Tapesh. They move across cities like Bombay, Jodhpur, Lucknow, and they are confronted by a series of mysteries. So you would actually, love reading this book. So please, if you get a chance, do read this one. Then, these days I have just started reading this book, Lost and Found. It's by Jane Ann Krantz, and it's a story about searching for secrets, and in that finding love. And I'm still reading this one. So let me finish it and then I'll come with a complete review about it. So the main character here is an expertise in art and antiques, and she's helping a low profile company to find some of the missing treasures. So the story is about that. Then another interesting book that I have in my collection is Great Romantic Short Stories. Now, you know what I like about this book is, I'm sorry, my kids have just given some of their artwork on this one. So it has, so many short stories by different authors ranging from Thomas Hardy to O. Henry, and each story is so different from the other that you would just love reading them. So these are basically some of the books that I have been reading and I have read and I enjoyed them thoroughly. So if you get hold of these books, just read them and let me know your review, your feedback, and if you've already read one of these, do share your opinion. Alright, till next time, bye bye, stay safe, take care.